Now let's solve the exercise. In the first exercise that we know that we have a circle, then we have said that the ED is a tangent. The exercise number 1, page 763. We have the diameter, and we know that this angle is 38 according to the diagram. In the center, and we are looking for this. But the important part here is that said that this line that is here is tangent. That means that it's perpendicular with the diameter, with the radius in this point. In the only top point that we have the intersection with the circle, this is a 90 degree. In other words, the value of x will be 180 minus 90 minus 38. That means the final answer will be x is equal to 52 degrees. Or if you prefer, only 90 minus 38 will give you the 52 result. The problem number 2 says, in the page 764, says, what is the distance to the horizon that a person can see on a clear day from an airplane 2 miles above Earth? Earth's radius is about 4,000 miles. Now, to make a diagram, we know that the radius is 4,000 miles, and the airplane is 2 miles over here. This is the airplane. Now the question is what is the distance here? And this will be a tangent because this point of view will be only one intersection with the circle. That means this is a 90 degree again. If we are looking for this distance x, we have this value. If we have also this value in this part, that will be 4,000. Because it's the radius here, and the radius in the direction. Now, if we make the diagram, only the triangle that we are looking for, 90 degrees, 4,000 miles, and this distance will be 4,002 miles, because it's plus the 2 of the how high is the airplane. Now we are looking for this part. We have a 90 degree. What we have to use? The Pythagorean theorem that says the hypotenuse to a second power is equal to a to the second power plus b to the second power, the legs. Now, the hypotenuse is 4,002 to the second power equal to a to the second power plus 4,000 to the second power. Now, let's solve this. 4,002 to the second power. No, this is parenthesis here. I have a 0 extra. To the second power minus 4,000 to the second power equal to a to the second power. Careful, we can't make the subtraction here in this moment. We have to find what is the value of 4,000 to the second power. It's a big number. Minus millones equal to a to the second power. Now we have to make the subtraction. What a big deal make this. Minus 16 millions. Now the answer is obvious, is only this 16,004 is a to the second power. Now the square root of this a will be 126.51 miles. That will be the distance that is going from the airplane to the horizon in this section. In the problem number 3, we have a diagram that says what is the radius of circle O. We have the circle, we have the distance x here because it's the radius, here and here is the same. And this is tangent, 10, 6, and 90 degree. Now, what we have to do here is use the Pythagorean theorem also, but the relation is different. The hypotenuse is this distance. That means it's x plus 6 to the second power. This is the hypotenuse. One leg is x and the other leg is 10 to the second power, both because we are using the Pythagorean theorem to solve this exercise. Now, here we have to make FOIL you want, or make the special product that says that will be x second power plus 12x plus 36 equal to x second power plus 10. You don't remember the special products, you may do FOIL always. You mean x times x, x second power, plus 6x times 6x, 6 times 6, 36. And then we add this, that will be 12x. Well, see the same result that we have. Now, the next step is solve the equations. It looks like it will be a quadratic, but it's not a quadratic in this situation. It will be x second power minus x second power plus 12x plus 36 is equal to 10. Then we cancel the x second power. We get only 12x is equal to 10 minus 36 in this step, and x is equal to 10 minus 36, but mistake here, I forgot to make the second power here. 10 to the second power is 100, 100 here is 100. Now 100 minus 36, that will give us 764. That is the value of x, but 12, that is multiplying, going to divide, and will be 64 divided by 12, that is 5.33, 5.33, and the unit here, well, we don't have units. This is the answer. Pythagorean theorem with expressions. I will solve the exercise number 5, that is with the theorem 12.3, the last one that says about the tangent that are congruent, that are the same value. Now, said that the circle is inscribed in the triangle. That means the circle is inside of the triangle, and has a perimeter of 88, said instructions. Now we have several variables. This is a point x, q, we have a point y, we have a point r, we have a point c, and the center is O. It's not part, it's another situation. 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters. Now, we have to find in this one what is the length of QY. We are looking for this length. Now, according to the theorem, we have that if those lines share the same point and those are tangent to the circle, the distance from P to X in this situation is the same distance to P to C. That means this is 15. Now, the distance from this place to this place is 17. Now, we have a lot of values, that is 15, 15, 17, 17, and we are looking for this. Let's call distance A and A. We are looking one of the distance A here. Now, the perimeter is the addition of all these things. That means will be A plus 15 plus 15, so 15 plus 17 plus 17 is equal to 88. That is the perimeter that is given. Now remember, you may do 15 plus times 2 and 17 times 2. But I want to do this to be clear. 8 plus A is 2A plus 30 plus 17 plus 17. It will be 64. Plus 64. The addition of all this is equal to 88. Now the next step to solve this one will be 2A is equal to 88 minus 64. A is equal to 88 minus 64, 24 divided by 2. A will be equal to 12. In this situation is centimeter. That is the value. Careful in those exercises, the distance from the point is 17 and 17, 15 and 15 depend on the point that they share here. Now the exercise that you have to solve here are exercise 7, exercise 13. In this one you have to choose, it is said no or yes depending on the information. The exercise, but it is the inverse of the Pythagorean theorem. Solve 15, 17, and 19. Are odds. You may check the answer in the back of the book. Feel free to do this. Now, again, number 7. Sorry, I forgot to say number 9. 7, 9, 13, 15, 17.